Welcome back, children, to our English class. Children, we were doing the first chapter from the text, that is Cricket for the Crocodile, and we were on page number 9. Okay, so let's begin. The village boys were a little older than Ranji and his friends, but they did not bring their fathers along. Okay, these particular boys, Ranji and his friends, वो लोग अपने उनके कभी कभी fathers भी join होते थे cricket match में. But the village boys, they were a little older. वो लोग थोड़े इनसे बड़े थे. So they did not bring their fathers along for playing the match. The game made very little sense to the older villagers. To the older villagers, this game made very little sense, okay? It did not mean much to them. They were also annoyed when, see here it is written, and when balls came flying across fields to land in milk pails or cooking pots, they were as annoyed as the crocodile. So these older villagers, already this game cricket made very little sense for them. And when जब बॉल उड़ के फील्ड की तरफ आता था और उनके घर की साइड आता था, एंड देन जब मिल्क पेल्स यानी कि जिसमें मिल्क रखते हैं, ओके, उस बर्तन से या कुकिंग पॉट्स से टकराता था, तो ये विलेजर्स जो थे दे यूज टू गेट अनॉयड, एकदम गुस्से में आ जाते थे, एकदम इरिटेट हो जाते थे, ओके, जस्ट लाइक द क्रोकोडाइल यूज टू गेट अनॉयड. Today the men were busy in the fields and Naku the crocodile was wallowing in the mud behind a screen of reeds and water lilies. So today when the men were busy in the fields, what was Naku the crocodile doing? Naku was wallowing. Wallowing means lie and roll around in water or mud. Okay, so the crocodile was rolling around, lying around, okay, in the mud behind a screen of reeds and water lilies. Reeds means it is a tall plant that grows near water. So crocodile was wallowing near that. How beautiful and innocent those lilies looked. Only sharp eyes would have noticed Naku's long snout thrusting above the broad flat leaves of the lilies. His eyes were slits. He was watching. Now here what they are telling is that the lilies were looking very beautiful, very innocent, and only sharp eyes would have noticed. कोई sharp eyes से देखेगा तो ही वो note कर पाएगा, notice कर पाएगा that Naku's long snout, Naku's long nose was thrusting, was sticking out above the broad flat leaves of the lilies, that was sticking out from there, okay. His eyes were slits, he was watching. So that crocodile was watching with his narrow eyes, okay. Ranji struck the ball hard and high. Splash! It fell into the river about 30 feet from where Naku lay. So now these boys were playing cricket and Ranji ने एक जोरदार shot मारा. Ranji struck the ball hard, okay, and this ball went up high. Splash! That is the noise which came. So from here you can come to know that the ball fell into the river, okay, about 30 feet from where Naku lay. That means 30 feet from where Naku was laying down. Village boys and town boys dashed into the shallow water to look for the ball. Now these village boys and town boys, okay, ये लोग जो थे खेलते खेलते, they moved quickly. Dashed means they moved quickly into the shallow water. This water was not that much deep, okay. So they went into the shallow water to look for the ball. वो लोग बॉल ढूंढने के लिए उस water में उतरे, उस river में उतरे. Too many of them. Crowds made Naku nervous. अब इतने सारे बॉयज़, विलेज बॉयज़, टाउन बॉयज़, सब बॉल को ढूंढने के लिए उस पानी में उतरे, तो एक साथ कितने सारे बॉयज़ हो गए. एंड नक्कू को गुस्सा भी आने लगा. ही वॉज नर्वस ऑल्सो. एक साथ इतने सारे लोग, क्राउड को वो हैंडल नहीं कर पाया, ओके. ही बिकेम नर्वस. He slid away, crossed the river to the opposite bank and sulked. That means Naku the crocodile, what did he do? He moved away. Slid away means he moved away and he crossed the river. River cross करके he went to the opposite side of the river bank, okay? And sulked. Sulked means there he was sitting silently, he was looking unhappy, रूठ के जैसे बैठ के वैसे he was behaving. As it was a warm day, nobody seemed to want to get out of the water. Okay, so already it was a warm day. थोड़ा सा गर्मी थी उस दिन. Okay, तो किसी को पानी में जाने के बाद बाहर निकलने का मन नहीं कर रहा था from the boys. Okay. Several boys threw off their clothes, deciding that it was a better day for swimming than for cricket. अब बहुत सारे बॉयज़ जो थे उसमें से उन लोगों ने अपने कपड़े निकाले और डिसाइड किया कि आज तो भाई स्विमिंग करते हैं. ओके, वी डोंट वांट टू प्ले क्रिकेट बिकॉज ऑलरेडी इट वाज वार्म डे. ओके, एक्चुअली दे वर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. ओके, बट बॉल गिरने की वजह से ऑल द विलेज बॉयज़ एंड टाउन बॉयज़ बॉल को ढूंढने के लिए रिवर में उतरे. एंड पानी में जैसे ही उतरे देन दे वर फीलिंग प्लेजेंट. ओके, गर्म दिन था, बहुत गर्मी थी उस दिन, तो पानी में उनको मज़ा आ रहा था. सो दे डिसाइडेड दैट टुडे वी विल डू स्विमिंग एंड विल नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट. Naku's mouth watered as he watched those bare limbs splashing about. सो अब नक्कूज माउथ वाटर्ड यानी कि क्रोकोडाइल जो था उसके मुंह में पानी आ रहा था, इतने सारे बॉयज़ थे एंड ही वॉज फीलिंग हंग्री. ओके, वी आर सपोज्ड टू बी प्रैक्टिसिंग, सेड रंजी, हु टुक हिज क्रिकेट सीरियसली. वी वोंट विन नेक्स्ट वीक. Okay, now Ranji was very serious about playing cricket. Okay, and he was very serious about the match which was to be conducted next week. Okay, so Ranji ने क्या बोला कि अभी प्रैक्टिस का टाइम है, हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. Okay, he took cricket very seriously. We won't win next week, otherwise हम लोग जीत नहीं पाएंगे, हम प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो. Oh, we'll win easily, said Anil, joining him on the river bank. My father says he is going to play. तो अनिल ने क्या बोला कि मैच तो हम easily जीत जाएंगे and my father also will join us in the play, in the cricket match. Okay, he was telling this to Ranji. The last time he played, we lost, said Ranji. He made 2 runs and forgot to field. तो रंजी ने अनिल को क्या बोला कि लास्ट टाइम जब तुम्हारे फादर ने हमारे साथ खेला था क्रिकेट मैच में तब हम हार गए थे उनकी वजह से, बिकॉज ही मेड 2 runs एंड देन ही फॉरगॉट टू फील्ड. He was out of form, said Anil, ever loyal to his father, the bank manager. तो Anil obviously he took his father's side. Okay, he was loyal to his father. Loyal means faithful. Okay, और अपने फादर की साइड लेके उसने क्या बोला रंजी को कि अदरवाइज ही प्लेज वेरी गुड क्रिकेट, वो बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, बट उस दिन ही वॉज आउट ऑफ द फॉर्म, ही वॉज नॉट प्लेइंग द वे ही यूजुअली डज. Now when these two were talking, then Sheru, the captain of village team, joined them. Sheru जो था village team का captain, वो वहाँ पे आके join हुआ उनकी बातचीत में. उसने बीच में बोला that my cousin from Delhi is going to play for us. मेरा cousin है दिल्ली से, वो भी आके हमारी साइड से खेलने वाला है हमारी टीम से. He made 100 in one of the matches there. जब वहाँ पे उन्होंने मैच खेली थी क्रिकेट मैच, तो वहाँ उसने 100 रन्स स्कोर किए थे. सो ही इज़ गोइंग टू प्ले विद अस. He won't make 100 on this wicket, said Ranji. It is slow at one end and fast at the other. तो रंजी ने बोला कि here he won't be able to make 100. Okay. Can I bring my father? asked Nathu, the baker's son. बेकर का जो लड़का था नथु, उसने पूछा कि मैं अपने फादर को ला सकता हूँ साथ में. Can he play? क्या वो आके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं हमारे साथ? कैन ही प्ले? Not too well, but he'll bring along a basket of biscuits, buns and pakoras. तो नथु ने क्या बोला कि अगर वो नहीं खेलेंगे तो एटलीस्ट वो साथ में अपने बास्केट लाएंगे, बास्केट ऑफ बिस्किट्स, buns and pakoras to eat. Okay, then Ranji said then he can play. Okay, so he was very quick to make up his mind, he was very quick to respond. Okay, no wonder he was the team's captain. Okay, that is why he was the team's captain. If there are too many of us, we will make him 12th man. अगर हम बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं तो तुम्हारे फादर को हम 12th नंबर पे रख देंगे. ओके, क्रिकेट में. The ball could not be found, and as they did not want to risk their spare ball, the practice session was declared over. But as you all know that all these village boys, town boys, they were actually searching for the ball. But उनको ball नहीं मिली, so they decided कि practice session जो है उसे हम अभी पूरा कर देते हैं, because एक spare ball थी but उसके साथ वो लोग risk लेना नहीं चाहते थे. Okay? My grandfather has promised me a new ball, said Little Money from the village team, who bowled tricky leg breaks which bounced to the offside. Little Money जो था village team में से, उसने बोला कि मेरे ग्रैंडफादर ने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया है दैट ही विल गेट मी अ न्यू बॉल इफ़ वी विन. एंड उसके ग्रैंडफादर भी बहुत अच्छा खेलते थे. ही यूज़ टू प्ले ट्रिकी. वो बॉलिंग करते थे तो बहुत ट्रिकी वे में बॉलिंग करते थे. Okay, spin bowling, slow bowling, okay, which bounced to the offside. Now again Ranji asked, does he want to play too? Ranji ने वापस इसको क्या पूछा मनी को कि तुम्हारे ग्रैंडफादर भी खेलना चाहते हैं. Then again this little Money replied, no, of course not. He is nearly 80. तो मनी ने क्या रिप्लाई दिया रंजी को कि नो, ही वोंट प्ले. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, ही इज नियरली 80. वो 80 ईयर्स के हैं, सो ही वोंट प्ले. That's settled then, said Ranji. We will all meet here at 9 o'clock next Sunday, 50 overs aside. तो रंजी ने क्या बोला कि ओके, तो ये तय रहा. नेक्स्ट संडे वी ऑल आर मीटिंग एट 9 o'clock. नेक्स्ट संडे हम किस टाइम पे सब मिल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? 9 o'clock. ओके, 50 overs aside. They broke up, Sheru and his team wandering back to village while Ranji and his friends got onto their bicycles, 2 or 3 to a bicycle since not everyone had one, and cycled back to town. So they broke up means यहाँ से अब सब लोग अपने अपने घर की तरफ जा रहे थे. शेरू और उसकी जो टीम थी, they were wandering back to village. वो लोग वापस विलेज की तरफ जा रहे थे. और रंजी और उसके जो फ्रेंड्स थे, they were on their bicycles going back towards the town. And एक बाईसाइकिल पे 2 या 3 जन थे, because everybody was not having the bicycle. Okay. Nakku, left in peace at last, returned to his favorite side of the river and crawled some way up the river bank as if to inspect the wicket. So now everybody had went off. सब चले गए थे. So Nakku was now at peace. He was left in peace. Okay, अब उसे शांति मिल रही थी, because he did not like the crowd. He got nervous. Okay. And he returned back to his favorite side of the river. वो अपने favorite जगह पे जो था river bank पे, वो वहाँ पे पहुँच गया. Okay. And after he went to his favorite side of the river, he crawled. Crawled means रेंगता हुआ थोड़ा सा river bank के ऊपर की तरफ गया. And there he was relaxing totally. now it was a good place to relax. उसको अच्छा लग रहा था कि ये जगह बेस्ट है रिलैक्स करने के लिए. Okay, then Nakku moved across it. He felt pleasantly drowsy in the warm sun. Okay, because of the warm sun, सन की गर्मी की वजह से उसको अब ड्राउजी फील हो रहा था. ड्राउजी मीन्स स्लीपी एकदम फील हो रहा था. सो ही क्लोज्ड हिज आइज फॉर अ लिटिल नैप. ओके, तो धीरे धीरे एज ही वॉज फीलिंग स्लीपी, तो उसकी धीरे धीरे आंखें बंद होने लगी. ओके, फॉर अ लिटिल नैप. What is the meaning of nap? Nap means short sleep. It was good to be out of the water for a while. Nakku continuously was in water because of the crowd of the boys. Okay, तो अब उसको थोड़ा सा पानी से बाहर निकल के उसको अच्छा लग रहा था. He was feeling pleasant. Okay, and he was feeling good to be out of the water for a while. So with this we come to an end of the chapter. End of session. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next lecture.